welcome back to the Winston family. Today I'm going to try to do an experiment in my Instapot here. I'm going to make some kielbasa and sauerkraut. So here I have bay leaves and apple, which I've already cut up. I cut up 4 potatoes. I have a half a cup of brown sugar here, light brown sugar, and some oregano. So, like I said, I want 2 cloves of garlic over here. So like I said, this is an experiment, so let's see how this all turns out. If you guys don't own an Instapot, be sure to go purchase one. It does slow cooking and it does pressure cooking. So, let's get started. Right here, guys, I just threw in my apples. And I'm going to take this sauerkraut here and I'm going to rinse it. Rinse your sauerkraut at least twice before you put it in, before putting it in the pot. So let me go rinse that and we'll be right back. Guys, so I've rinsed my sauerkraut, and like I said, I have the potatoes and the apple. 1 apple I cut up and I put it in the pot already. Now here with the brown sugar, I have a half a cup of brown sugar. I forgot to add. I also do have apple juice, so I'm going to fill that to make a cup and mix that in together and pour it inside there. And in the meantime, I'm going to cut up these 2 pieces of garlic and place it in there as well. So stay tuned. This might be really yummy. Alright guys, so actually I poured to make 2 cups. So it was a half a cup of light brown sugar, and then I filled it up to make 2 cups with the apple juice. So let's pour that in there. And I added the bay leaf, as you can see, and I cut up those 2 cloves of garlic as well. So right now we're going to add the sauerkraut first. So after the sauerkraut, we'll season it up with some oregano, salt and pepper, and then we'll add the kielbasa. So we'll be back. So as you can see here, I added some oregano and some salt and pepper to that. Now we are going to add our Polish kielbasa sausage. So I'm going to mix this all around, and then I'll show you how I work my Instapot. Guys, so this is how you work the Instapot. So I'm gonna put my top on there, and you're gonna hear a beeping noise like that. Okay, so you're gonna adjust it, make sure it's locked and closed. Make sure this venting thing it's venting, so it's gonna vent out the air. If you were pressure cooking, you would lock that air in there. So here we're gonna press slow cook, right? Then within 10 seconds, you gotta adjust it. So we're gonna do to more, because I'm gonna do 4 hours. So we have 8 hours here. I don't want 8 hours, I want 4 hours. So now it is set for 4 hours. And we're all ready to rock and roll. The Instapot is set. 4 hours. I will check in an hour and see our progress. So make sure you guys purchase one. You can make rice in here. You can make everything. You can make a beef stew in 20 minutes. Trust me, I've done it. So we'll be back. This is for the sauerkraut and kielbasa recipe in the Instapot. See you in a little while. Guys, so you're getting a 2-for-1 today because the mister doesn't like all that extra stuff, the apples and all that other stuff. I like to try new things, and he doesn't like sauerkraut. So his is going to have some peppers, 4 cloves of garlic, 4 potatoes cut up, and kielbasa. Okay. For his, I'm going to drizzle some olive oil on top. And I'm going to season it with some pepper and some salt. There we go. And I think I'm going to add a bay leaf, but I'm going to mix it in there. He won't know. Just going to give it a little bit of flavor. So I'm going to mix this, and now this is going to go in the oven, and that's going to cook for 3 hours with a top on it. And in the mist, I'll just mix it. So you're getting 2 for 1. Sauerkraut and kielbasa with peppers, onions. Oh, I forgot to add, I put a whole onion in there, a Spanish onion, and I cut it up in here. So there's a Spanish onion, 1 whole onion, peppers, potatoes, kielbasa, salt and pepper, and 4 cloves of garlic. In the oven on 225 for 3 hours. And this we're still working on. 3 minutes, 3 hours and 51 seconds. So keep watching. Forgot to add, I did add a half a cup of water to this, guys. So I'm gonna put, like I said, put in a top on it and put it in the oven on 225 for 3 hours. All right, guys, it's all done. And I put it in a casserole dish. 4 hours in the Instapot. Kielbasa, sauerkraut, and potatoes. I hope you enjoyed. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and also leave me a comment if you do try this recipe. Thank you for watching.